Hey students, happy Monday. We have approximately 9 days till the AP exam, so I want to go over the schedule with you of what those 9 days are going to look like. So today is Monday, May 4th. Our exam is going to be Wednesday, May 13th. So we are in the crunch zone here. So let's look at your schedule. Today you're doing a new Imperialism DBQ review on AP Live on YouTube. So you're just going to log in, take notes on that. Tomorrow's AP Live class is going to be slightly different. They are going to use the class as a timed DBQ. Now, DBQ, what you're going to do is whenever you can or go to that video, QPF, you are going to click the PDF, play on the video, and minute time proctoring. You off at 45 minutes, DBQ Tuesday. You will full credit. I will not be grading, will be getting AP Live video for what a good text for that thesis will be to write it, because you'll have two writing. This is something important. I'm going to talk about, but do anticipate we'll get credit for just being work. The more feedback you're getting, what your AP DBQ, life will get easier. Let's go in and put it writing a DBQ and it. All right, find that description of the unit. I'll post that live video. Okay, we'll talk about the rest. Are actually get our virtual class schedule May 5th. Now I've been grading your gens. There seems to be a talk about that in the class. What on Thursday we are going to be doing DBQ. Okay, time that's 12:30 together when an AP Law class. I'm going to be doing class with me. Okay, Monday. So we are class on day May. We each have our own time again in our next individual talk to. So the one right on Thursday talk to you on Monday to post signups of other classes, and so you'll be able to choose to do a Google Hangout code and to go over what you need to work. One of those specific writing, and I want to make what you need to exam. The time is not. You'll get to choose the time. Okay. Tuesday, May 12th. That's class at 12:30. We're going to talk about best. Go in and show you go in and what the room is going to look like and that kind of thing. So then Wednesday the 13th. So it is a week and a half, but once we won't have a class that day, we'll pull back a little after. Right. So if you have but what you're doing today is go on DB writing, personal class, AP Live. Again in tomorrow. You guys have a start to the week, and I will see you in class tomorrow.